Hey, it's James from Finney Electrical. On today's video, we're installing some LED strip for a Jeweller's. Let's get into this. There we go, so we arrived at the job then. It's about a beautiful Jeweller's. I might have to ask if I'm allowed to film. I haven't done that yet, I'm just sat outside waiting for him to come. But yeah, so we've got some JCC, it's 4000K, IP20, 9.6 watt per metre. So you can get a 4.6 I think, or a 9.6, so it's a lot brighter than the 9.6. I think it's like 800, 900 lumens per metre, so it's really bright. So you'll get to see that installed. And then what we've got is these little JCC drivers, so 75 watt drivers, just to take that. So let's show you how we do it then. Right, we're into the job then. So what we've got these old little under cabinet style lights in. It's like a T8 tube. So we'll swap these out for some LED strip then. So all this LED strip then, what it's going to do is going to kind of stick on the back side of this, on the upside, along the back and down for each cabinet. And I've got two little drivers wherever they went. So they're going to hide around the corner here. So get these inserted there, get them powered up, and then we'll have to send some like data cable through out here, through there, and then kind of solder onto the LED strip. So first little job then, what we'll do is get these disconnected then, get the main feed coming in, and then get that ready to connect it to the driver. Right then, so this is the driver's on, so that's the 240 volt side. So what we've done is just looped in, looped out, live and neutral, and then live and neutral here. So obviously when we get that up and get the lid on, that'll be these powered up when you flick the switch. And then you've got a 24 volt output. So with LED strip you can get like 24 volt, I can't even think, 12 volt, you can get up to 230 volts sometimes, not as LED strip. Obviously that one runs through a driver bit. Basically the outgoing of these, so you've got pos and neg, which will attach via some data cable soldered in onto the LED strip, so I'll show you that shortly. But essentially we're just going to get two data cables, one from here through the cabinet, and then the same again for this side. That's that sorted then. So what we're going to do is get cables from here to here. So what we're thinking, this LED strip's got to obviously stick on the inside, and then we'll have to seal it off with some like clear silicone. However, if we're going all the way around, the two ends are going to land down here and down here, which could be a bit awkward. So we either drill under this unit and have them soldered at the ends here, like it goes up, round and down, or you could even solder into the middle of it, like pos and neg, which isn't the conventional way of doing it, but that way you could have your end there, round end there, and then solder that up here, and then all your cables can come through here. There's already some holes drilled, and we could have some like little sticky mounts here, so you wouldn't even see the cabling, and it would just kind of come off your sticky mount and into your soldered connection for one cabinet, second, third and fourth. So yeah, let's see what we do then. Right, so they're all cut to length then. So we've got the LED strip which is long enough to go up the side, along the top and down the other side. So I think the best option then was to drill right around this corner to underneath, and then obviously all the LED strip, which is going to be extended by this, will just come underneath the units. There's a plinth section, pop up the back, and then come up and then wire into the drivers. So I think that's best option. So right, let's get these cables run then. We'll get all these run to length, popped up the holes, and then we can start soldering the LED strip. There we go. So we're getting a bit further along then. So if you look under here, they've gone under nicely, and then what we're going to do is just bring it out the top of that little skirting, and then it'll pop straight up into the cabinet when we drill a hole down through here. So we've got this lad on it then, Abdul, isn't it? Says college sends us lads who want like a bit of experience, so then a bit of LED strip. It's a bit of fun for you, isn't it? You enjoying it then? Yeah. Just, yesterday we were doing a flat in Tadcaster, well, that was it, and we had to install some TV sockets and lights and stuff like that, so we had a good experience of chopping out. But yeah, now he's getting a bit of bling today with these lights, looking sweet. Now we're getting this soldered up then, so we've used red, yellow, blue for pos and the rest for neg. So we soldered it up, and then that's a bit of 8-string, and we'll test it out, see if it does a good job. We'll do that, light it up, and it should all shrink up, and then we'll pass that down there and back to the driver. There we go then, so we've got one stuck in, that's looking lovely, all the way up there, all the way around, and then what we've done is just soldered that one, so we've got that to stick in, and then the other two. Right, so those cables in, it's all the LED strips all soldered. So what we're going to do is just get these arched into here nicely. So if you look on here, there's pos, so these two terminals are pos, and then neg, these two terminals are neg.
Wait, what's the joke?
So what I'll do is get one cable into there, well, terminals are
neg. Yeah, no, I still don't get it.
Hey man, ain't nothing to get. It is just funny, man.
Well, two cables into here, two cables into here, then everything will be working. Obviously when we turn on the switch, it should all power up nicely. And that's that sorted. Let's see, turn him on, see if it works. Right here, they're all stuck in now, all sealed off. Looking brilliant. Hey, so they're looking brilliant then. So you saw we kind of rearranged them wires then, so it came into the transformer, and then it was like 4 cables going to each of these 4 little cabinets then. Right then, so if you like this kind of content, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications, you know when next upload. As always, have a good one from me, and we'll see you on the next one.